Remote Security Certificate Builder creates a certificate, enabling users to operate their Remote Security Control mobile device app. The Certificate Builder extracts data from the RPS database and combines it into a certificate that can then be emailed to the end user. With that certificate, the end user will be able to connect to and control their Bosch security system from a mobile device. In this video, we'll first look at how to install the Certificate Builder software, then we'll show how to create a certificate. Please ensure that you are using the latest versions of software and consult the built-in help files for complete instructions. You must first download and install the Remote Security Certificate Builder to your computer. The computer must have access to both the RPS database, an RPS dongle, and preferably access to email. Remote Security Certificate Builder can be downloaded from remotebuilder.kinetics.com. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the install, then start the Certificate Builder application. The first time the software is launched, you will be required to configure the database settings to connect to your RPS database. To do this, click on Database Settings and complete the form with your database information. Here's an easy way to find that information from within RPS. Log into RPS, browse to Config, then System, and select the Database Settings tab. The default password is capital RPS, lowercase SQL 12345. Previously upgraded versions of RPS may be using lowercase SQL 12345. Once completed, click OK to save your changes. Now you can go ahead and log into the Certificate Builder by entering your RPS login credentials. The default login is admin and 1111. The first time you log in, select File and Dealer Info. Populate the Dealer Info settings window with your company's contact information. This is important because a dealer contact button is integrated into the end user's Remote Security Control app. It will be located at the top right corner and displays your information in this format. Click on the Change button to upload your company's logo. Hit OK once you have completed the form. Now we are ready to build a certificate. In the Compatible Panel Accounts list, select the account that you would like to provide remote security control for. Currently, the compatibility list includes the Bosch GV4 and B Series control panels. After the panel is highlighted, click the Build Certificate button. Select the panel user who will be using the certificate and click Next. This person will need to enter their user passcode into their mobile device app before connecting to the panel. If their passcode were to change after the certificate is created, a new certificate would need to be built. The Connection Type page lists the connection methods available on the control panel. Select the connection on your panel that will be responsible for receiving the incoming connection requests. Then click Next. The Active Date Range page allows you to limit the certificate's usage for situations such as leased or temporary user control. After you have selected the certificate's validity dates, press Next. Finally, the Summary page lets you know that your certificate has been created using the criteria shown. This certificate will now need to be emailed to your end user's mobile device. If you have an email client installed on your computer, such as Outlook Express, click on the Create Email button. If you do not have one installed, open your web-based email client. And then, address the email to an address that will be accessible on your user's mobile device. Now, go back to your certificate builder and click on the Open File Location button. This opens the folder containing the last certificate you created. Attach the certificate to the email. And hit Send. Once your end user gets the certificate on their mobile device, they will be able to install it into the Remote Security Control app and connect to their panel. Each certificate is only valid with one control panel, so to control multiple panels, you will need to provide your user multiple certificates. The certificate is not specific to one mobile device, so the user is welcome to use the same certificate on all of their compatible devices. Updates on compatible devices can be found at this address. After the certificate has been created, you may click Finish and close the program. This completes the Bosch Security Certificate Builder walkthrough video.
Bosch, invented for life.